gonna do right now, Spencer's gonna give you guys some game on internship hunting. So he landed an internship with Vengo Labs, a really unique vending machine company and advertising platform, and they got one of the biggest investments actually on Shark Tank. So do you want to let people know like how you initially got the offer? This guy, he's been out here all summer, crushing it.
Yeah, baby.
Like a G.
Basically, here's my advice.
What's your advice?
Set your goals and then think about what you need to do to make them happen. Like, I knew that I wanted to be in the city of New York. I found a company that, actually I made a list of companies that I thought, oh, this would be fun to work for them. So Vengo was like near the top of that list. I reached out to them on LinkedIn.
Who's them? The CEO?
I found like, yeah, the CEO, and then I'd find
straight to the top.
Exactly. Whoever else I needed to talk to. I mostly only corresponded with him at first though.
Okay. Then can you let him know how you like follow up? He told me a little bit of this story before, so how did you reach out initially? What was your message?
In the title of the message I said, college student seeks internship.
Swag. Let him know what's up.
Then in the message, I didn't really talk about that. I more so said, hi, I love your company. I actually saw your product in Detroit, and we have one of our vending machines in Detroit.
So he let him know that he wasn't just, oh yeah, I saw you on Shark Tank. He like let him know his experience with the product and expressed interest on a non-superficial level.
Exactly.
Squad. My arms are tight. Let me switch sides. So then did he respond right away and say, hey, yeah, here's an offer?
Basically, no. I messaged them saying to have a phone conversation. Mm-hmm. We ended up, talking, and I learned in that conversation about the company. But while he was explaining the company, he knew that I was also like a potential intern. I think it like helped direct the conversation.
So it wasn't like you just said, hey, internship, I'm seeking an internship, and said, hey, can I talk to you about getting an internship? He kind of said in the email, like, I'd just like to learn about like advice for sales. I'm entrepreneur minded. I'd love to learn from you. And that was like a soft sale in a sense. There's a quote that says, if you ask for money, you're gonna get advice, and if you ask for advice, you're gonna get money. So basically, we on the upswing, be interested, and then like, the benefit will come after that. If you're always just like, what's in it for me? I'm trying to get money, then somebody's just gonna be like, yeah, you know what, kid, like, good luck, blah, 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 blah. So,
100%.
So recap, number one, target.
Number one,
don't be spraying and praying.
Don't spray and pray. Find a target, aim for it.
Just get it.
Number two, be smart about how you do it. Look, don't just think about what's in it for you. Think about what's in it for the company.
Also, when you hit up and found the CEO, you hit him up on LinkedIn and you emailed him too, right?
Yes, LinkedIn first, and then I like figured out what his email was, and then I sent him an email as well.
Oh, by the way, this is huge. So they didn't have an internship listing on the website. He took the initiative and said, look, I want to intern for you guys, even though they didn't have an internship quote-unquote position. He kind of made it. So that's also a huge, big benefit if you guys are looking for internships. Just because the company doesn't say they're listing or doing internships, you can make it happen. Just like this guy.
Exactly. Dream it, you can live it.
What was the last thing?
Don't just think about what they can offer you. Think about, what you can offer them.
Swag.
And also what you can learn from them. People love to teach. So if you ask them questions that are educated, they love to give, more educated answers.
Right on.
So
lit, dude. Well, this was
swag.
This was good. Hopefully you guys got some benefit from this little combo.
I did.
Spencer, where can people follow you if they want to follow your adventures?
Hit me up on LinkedIn.
LinkedIn?
Spencer Waldo, baby.
Spencer Waldo.
Hit me up on Instagram.
IG? What's that IG?
Waldy6.
Swag. I showed it on the screen too.
Yes.
All right. We got to get out of here. The cops are coming. All right. Peace out.
Peace.